4. So I'm going to write it down in my notebook as the mass. Now that we measured the mass of an empty beaker, we're going to measure the mass of the beaker with 20. And then we're going to pour in 20 milliliters of water. And if you can see, the meniscus is at 20. So. And our balance reads 47.434. So we're going to write that here. Okay, so this is the mass of the water in the beaker minus the mass of the beaker, which gives you the mass of your water, which is your final.
Hi everyone, I'm Andrew. This is me using a balance. So first thing we're going to do, you see there's a mass on this balance. We're going to zero it out since there's nothing on it. Now I have 0 grams. So right now I'm taking the measurement of mass of this empty beaker, which is 28.894. Okay. Remove the beaker. I'm going to use 30 milliliters of water, which you can see the meniscus is right on the 30. Make sure my balance is 0 again. Put my beaker in with the 30 milliliters of water. And the final volume of the beaker and the water is 57.492. Alright, so this 28.894 was the initial mass of our empty beaker. 57.492, if you remember, is the mass of our beaker with 30 milliliters of water in it. So I'm going to take 57.492 grams, subtract 28.894 grams, which is the mass of the beaker, from the mass of the water and the beaker, which leaves me with 28.598 grams, which is the mass of only the water.
Hey, I'm Ryan, and I'm going to measure the mass of an empty beaker. First, I'm going to tear the scale and put the beaker in the scale. And as you can see, the beaker weighs 29.000 grams. And now I'm going to remove the beaker, and I'm going to add 40 milliliters of water, and as you can see, the meniscus is on the 40 milliliter mark. And I'm going to put it in the beaker. And now I'm going to tear the scale again and get the mass of the water and the beaker together, which is 66.610 grams. Okay, here I subtracted the mass of the beaker from the mass of the water and the beaker to get the mass of the water.